I'm going to show you how to fry our signature dish, which is prawn croquetas. We have the olive oil and our beautiful 4 croquetas. Okay? Right, so what we need to do is we need saucepan like this at home, a tray with a spoon and a little bit a cloth just to rinse the croquetas. What we need is place the oil to the pan, just like that. I would say number 2, number 3 if you have induction, or just low medium if you go have a gas stove. With a little bit of the panko, you can add to the oil, and if you see it's frying, that's telling you the oil is hot, because you don't want the oil super hot, okay? Croquetas in with the spoon. It will be roughly like 1.5 minutes, and I will keep turning around the croquetas until they are a little bit golden brown. So we place the croquetas in the tray. Just make sure that you leave your croquetas out the fridge like 10 minutes before. That is when you fry them, they get nice golden brown, and you make sure that the croquetas are warm inside.